Across education and consumer sectors, 3D printing generates significant PLA waste with improper plastic disposal yielding both environmental and financial harm. Just 10 kilograms of PLA filament is equivalent to $250 in material. With Reclaimtek, users can recycle PLA waste as high-quality printable filament. Our 3D print recycler is composed of two components, a grinder that grinds PLA waste into small flakes, and a pelletizer that cuts our filament into equal-sized pellets. When discussing our hedgehog concept, our passion is building reliable grinders and pelletizers that produce high-quality flakes and pellets for recycled filament production. We are the best at delivering the world's most consistent pellets and ensuring optimal performance in grinding waste PLA. Our economic engine is for our customers to maximize profit per unit mass of PLA filament spools being used. We are unique from other grinders on the market as we analyze the force it takes to break PLA and match the torque to meet that requirement. As for the pelletizer, we tune the feeding and cutting speeds to ensure that the pellets hit a consistent length. When discussing our value proposition, we are providing a 3D print recycler to our customers, which allows them to gain the ability to recycle 3D print waste while also reducing the financial burden of 3D printing. Demand for our printer is seen across the country as there are thousands of 3D printing labs in schools and universities. Our target market are student labs and hobbyists that have a need to reduce their 3D printing costs. At Reclaimtek, members have internship experience at third-party machining shops, which has allowed us to gain hands-on experience in part design and manufacturing. This, combined with our dedication to customer satisfaction, qualifies our team to make our grinder and pelletizer into a successful product. Reclaimtek would like your help to commercialize this product that will revolutionize the 3D printing world. Thank you, and we look forward to working with you.